Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can import video clips from your Google Drive account to your video editing projects on Vimeo. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the home section of your Vimeo account, and here at the top you will see these 5 options: upload, import, create, record and host. Select import, choose Google Drive. If needed, give Vimeo the permission to access your Google Drive account. So choose to give in a Google or Google Drive account here, click into continue. After that, you will be redirected to that selection of videos of your Google Drive account. So what you want to do is either look for a specific video by name, or let me sort by modification date and go with this one here, this example video here from my Google Drive. Click into it, confirm by clicking into select, wait for the importing process to be finished, and then you will see it in your library here. So let me navigate there, refresh the page if needed. There it is. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.